On our road trip around Ireland, we knew we wanted to visit Cobh. It's a small, historic, and colorful harbor town tied to the Titanic, and it was definitely worth the stop.
Now we're here to explore the city of Cobh. And Cobh is a port city on an island just outside of Cork City. There are all these beautifully colored houses, and just behind me up on the hill here is the St. Colman's Cathedral, which was visible somewhere just a few moments ago. We can hear the bells up through the mist there. Let me show you what else Cobh is known for.
Cobh was actually the Titanic's final port of call before it set out across the Atlantic. Back then, it was known as Queenstown, and it was the last place that passengers boarded before its famous first and, unfortunately, final journey. Today, you can still see reminders of that history all along the waterfront, including the former White Star building where many of those passengers passed through. That building is now part of the Cobh Heritage Center, and along with the Titanic experience nearby, these are both ticketed museums you can visit if you want to dig deeper into Cobh's emigration and Titanic history. Inside the Cobh Heritage Center, you'll find exhibits about the millions of people who left Ireland through this harbor, along with stories of the passengers connected to the Titanic. The harbor is still active today with boats and tours heading out regularly, including trips towards Spike Island. And everything here is just a short walk from where the cruise ships dock. Also along the waterfront, Kennedy Park is a great place to slow down for a bit, with views out over the harbor of ships coming and going. From there, we wandered back into the main square where you'll find a memorial to the Lusitania, another ship with strong ties to Cobh's history. Next, we started making our way up the steep hill toward the cathedral.
From down below, it's kind of steep to get up to the cathedral. And we took these stairs right here because I had read that someone else took their stroller and walker and said it was just fine because the stairs are wider. So for the most part, that was true. But then there were some narrow ones, and so I had to go backwards. And it worked, just had to go slow, and the kids helped me a little bit. I think Kevin's gone ahead to look inside before it closes. But we've made it, and the fog has rolled away, so we're gonna go check it out too.
At the top of the hill, St. Colman's Cathedral overlooks the entire town. Inside, it's just as impressive as the outside, maybe even more so. It is definitely worth the climb. On the way back down, make sure to take the road rather than the stairs. That's where you'll find some of Cobh's most iconic views, including the colorful deck of card houses lining the hillside above the harbor. We only spent an afternoon here, but Cobh ended up being a really memorable stop for us. It's definitely worth checking out whether you're cruising or road tripping like we were.